Mental changes that occur with dementia. It can be devastating when someone you love suffers from dementia. Dementia isn't just a specific disease, instead, it's a group of symptoms that can include memory loss, as well as changes in personality, confusion, and difficulty with language. When it comes to memory loss, dementia patients fail to remember people's names and places, or recognize familiar faces. Let's understand what mental changes people with dementia might face. Difficulty remembering things is the most common mental change in people with dementia. They may misplace things or repeat statements over and over again. Also, they may get confused and lose their sense of time as they keep talking about past events as present. What should you do? Understand their condition and give gentle reminders and clues to jog their memory. Another change is that they may have problems using and understanding language. They may take longer to process information and might not be able to find the right terms to express themselves. Even sometimes they use words incorrectly and their responses to your queries may not make sense. So, speak clearly and slowly and give them time to process. Use gestures or cues for their easy understanding and be patient with their replies. Due to dementia, they cannot perform tasks involving planning, organizing, and judgment. Recognizing patterns and categorizing things can be trouble for your seniors. So, organize and simplify the tasks for them. Not only that, they may have trouble initiating conversation and less motivation to do things. Sadness or depression may hit them sometimes. Be gentle to convince them of activities they'll love to do and boost their mood. One of the weird changes that you may find is that people with dementia forget things, objects, and places. And they end up making odd food combinations by mixing up things and eating unusual foods. That sounds sad. But you can prevent this by replacing the items that won't mix well with the right ones. Trouble with movements is another issue linked with dementia. These people insist on doing things independently and may refuse to get help. They try to do activities thinking they can do it, not realizing they may get injured. So, be there to assist them every time. And you know the worst case? Dementia patients may suffer from delusions, hallucinations, or paranoia. It means that they sometimes perceive the world falsely. Hear them out and convince them what they are experiencing isn't real without arguing. Pay attention to their feelings and try to change the environment to help prevent misunderstandings. Caring for your loved ones suffering from dementia requires patience and a positive attitude. Watching them suffer from a mental condition is hurtful, but using these strategies can be helpful for both of you. So, be their support system to handle the world.